What is going on, guys? Today we are back and it is another wheeling episode here. I'm not sure what exactly we're going to get into today because we got Bryan in his stock Toyota pickup, but we should be able to find a couple of obstacles anyways. Also, it's the first time out on Cory's brand new 37s, which is super exciting, and yeah, let's go see what we can get into.
We started the day pretty mild, by going down this trail with a ton of downed trees to see how Bryan's truck could hold up.
Yep, you're good.
And hey, not bad if you ask me. At this point in time, Bryan went back to town, so me and Cory decided to chase some bigger obstacles. I decided to try a different line on this obstacle and go straight over it instead, thinking I might have had the underbelly clearance.
Am I on my rockers?
Clearly I was wrong.
And that's what they make rock sliders for, which I don't have. It's okay, my rocker panels are mostly okay. There's a bit of a crease on this side. Take it hard, and when that tire drops, the cab's going to swing and pull you away from that stump. Yep. Woo. Yep. her going.
Getting her out alive. Her fingers intertwined with mine, even for a little while. But when the evening ends, we're back to being friends. Oh, and everything comes to her. Everything comes to her. Blue eyes, blonde hair, don't care. Attitude that gets her everywhere. She's out there looking for love. She's got
one of the best parts about picking a quad trail and just running it down, seeing what exactly you can find, is you find areas like this that I have never been to before, and a ton of other people definitely have not been in here before, judging by the road that we went down. And just look how beautiful this mountain valley is. And just look how beautiful this mountain valley is with this frozen lake, which is impressive because everything else we passed was not frozen until here. And like just rocky, and yeah. Another thing that's wild is you can see where the water line used to be here. There's a lot more water in here at one point in time. So we're cruising along, and then all of a sudden we found this awesome, pretty big sinkhole, which looks like it'd be a good obstacle for Cory to test out his big tires. It is gonna drop. Yeah, you're still good. You're almost at the bottom. Okay, this side tire is going to start dropping now. Perfect. Yeah, you're in it now. Yeah, you're good. Okay, rear driver is about to start dropping. Yep. You're good. Anyways, guys, that's it for this episode of Dirt Garage. And remember, if you like this stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.